Welcome to Day 4, Module 4. Remember to log into Canvas, go along the left-hand side and click on Modules. Scroll down to Module 4. Click on Overview. During Module 4, you're going to identify 3 technology tools or multimedia that can be used in the online learning environment. You are also going to embed one of those 3 technology tools into the lesson plan you have been developing since Module 2. Click Next. Read through the read portion. You can click on these blue links and they will take you directly to that particular resource, and then click Next. We're also going to be focusing on a flipped classroom. If you return to school in the fall in a hybrid format, the flipped classroom is going to be a great option to look at. This information here provides you an overview of TED-Ed, which is a free educational website for teachers and learners, and it is a wonderful platform to be able to create a flipped classroom. Click Next. We have a couple of videos for you to watch to further your understanding of the flipped classroom. And then your assignment is here. You're going to look at that learning task portion of your lesson plan. Find 3 online technology tools that you'd like to incorporate into your lesson and simply click Submit Assignment and post them there. Click the Next button. You are then going to take one part of your lesson plan and you're going to expand it to include that instructional technology tool. You're going to want to embed it into this lesson plan, the technology tool, which means to expand on the brief explanation you gave when you posted it in the previous assignment. So exactly how are you going to incorporate it into your lesson? If you'd like, and we highly encourage this strategy instead, that you actually create a TED-Ed. By clicking on this link, you can review a video of exactly how to do that and post that as your assignment. Design that TED-Ed so that it would seamlessly fit within your learning plan portion of your lesson plan, and you will have that instructional tool already created and ready to go. Click Next. Next will take you into Module 5. Just remember, on Friday we are meeting from 9:30 to 10:30 live via Zoom. We will be going over Module 5. If you finish today's work early and you'd like to create that Flipgrid presentation presenting the lesson plan that you have designed over the course of this week, feel free to do so. If not, you're going to visit this module after our live session on Friday. Thank you.